These geraniums are now rolling into their third year. And this is already their second time surviving winter in paper bags in my basement. Honestly, I still can't believe how resilient they are. If you saw my last video, you already know the surprise. When I opened the paper bags after months of storage, these geraniums were not only still alive, they were already pushing out soft, fresh shoots. So now, it's time to bring them fully back. The first thing I'm doing is cleaning them up a little. Over winter, some leaves and smaller twigs naturally dried out, which is completely normal. So, I'm gently removing all the brittle and dead material to help the plants focus their energy on the healthy new growth. And thankfully, there's already plenty of healthy growth showing. By the way, if you also overwinter your plants or you're thinking of trying this method, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what plants you've successfully saved through winter. Next, I'm soaking the roots in water to help rehydrate them after being stored dry all winter. This helps ease the transition back into soil and gives them a better start for the growing season. After soaking, it's finally time to plant them. As you can see, I'm using a Jiffy seed starting mix. It's a fresh, well-draining soil that I like to use for geraniums because they don't like sitting in soggy soil. Into the mix, I add small amount of water until it feels moist, not wet, just enough to help the soil settle gently around the roots without overwatering. Now, I carefully place each plant into its pot, feeling around the roots as I go, then gently firm the soil into place so everything feels secure and supported. Now let me show you what happened 5 weeks later. Honestly, this is the most rewarding part. The foliage has filled in beautifully, and the plants are looking fuller, healthier, and much stronger now. Some are even getting close to producing flowers already. It's honestly hard to believe these are the same geraniums that spent the winter bare root in paper bags in my basement. They stayed indoors during this stage because our evening temperatures were still dipping to around 3 degrees Celsius, and I didn't want to risk placing them outside overnight too early. Now, here's the final update at 7 weeks. Look at them now. Flower buds are already starting to show up, and the plants are getting stronger every week. I've already started hardening them off by bringing them outside during the day so they can slowly adjust to outdoor temperature. But I'm still keeping close eye on the weather and bringing them back inside anytime overnight temperatures are expected to dip below 10 degrees Celsius. I honestly can't wait to see these blooms open up. And knowing these same geraniums are now entering their third year, yes, third year of useful life, makes it even more exciting. And if you're interested in saving more tender plants through winter, stay tuned for my upcoming overwintering updates on cannas, callas, dahlias, begonias, and anemone as they wake back up, get replanted, and start growing strong again for the new season. From paper bags in the basement to thriving and preparing to bloom all over again.